Greetings, all, Sir Sparky here, and today I'm about to do a puppet show review on Between the Lions from 2000 to 2010. It was on the air on PBS Kids. It's about these lions who own a library. One named Theo, Cleo, and their cubs, Lionel and Leona. And together, they read about stories from famous authors. And believe you me, it is amazing. Mostly they jump into books with a little help from their robotic mouse Click. And there is a statue by the name of Barnaby B. Busterfield III, and two pigeons named Walter and Clay. And believe you me, they get into quite a mischief. Oh, so they get into a lot of adventures, like telling jokes, meet famous characters, even celebrities were on it. You know, it would have been better if they had a movie about them on Paramount. And believe you me, it would be quite amazing. And I would like to see it back on PBS Kids in a reboot. Tell me what you viewers think.